What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we're going to be unboxing Anodyne. So you might be like, what is Anodyne? I'm about to show you. So I've been in the search for basically looking for shoes that are not only stylish but also contribute to helping me walk for miles and miles. And we're going to go ahead and unbox it. So I've tried a pair of these before. This is their box. Basically, this is Anodyne. Built for comfort, designed for style. So pretty much that says it all. I got this at my local pharmacy. You can't really find these anywhere unless it's online. But I'm the type of person that likes to try things before they buy. So let's go ahead and get started. So here is one of their good enough isn't our vocabulary. Is it in yours? And there it is. Anodyneshoes.com. So the model that I particularly got was, actually I don't even know the model number, to be honest with you. I just basically got it because it looked like skate shoes on my end. So you do get like like this right here. It's basically to help you insert the shoes. It's crazy how they established in 2015. And I'll show you more right now. So this is basically the box. Nothing really special. I also got gel foam inserts, by the way, to help contribute, make it even more cushiony. So let's get started. So these are the Anodyne shoes. Yes, they do look like skate shoes. That's what I was going for, and I'm already starting to wear them out, but it's okay because I have more laces. But these shoes have been so amazing. This is actually my second pair of Anodyne that I've used before, but I remember I was still searching for the first pair was basically work shoes, but I needed something more portable where it doesn't, sometimes when you have the work shoes you tend to do this and that like kind of messes up your ankle. So I wanted to go for something more of basically stylish, but at the same time like business casual, and I believe that this looks business casual in a way to me. If you're just walking down, then yeah. I also like the finish and the leather right here. Really nice finish touch. Basic concept at the bottom, as you can see. It has like basically the extra support on here. And as you can see there, sorry, it has that extra support. Like, because without stabilization, that's when your foot starts to hurt. So honestly, these are diabetic shoes. I know it's kind of weird to say that, dude, these look like regular shoes. What are you talking about? These are skate shoes. Honestly, they're not. But the way that they implemented them to make them diabetic shoes, that's what's unique about it. I'm about to say. Anyways, yeah. So notice that they focused more on the quality rather than putting... Excuse me. They focus more on the quality rather than putting their name all over the shoe, and that says a lot because they're contributing to the product rather than I'm gonna love this video because half of the comments are gonna say I'm sneezing, but it's allergy season. So basically, yeah, Anodyne focuses more on basically getting the concept of it. The only logo is probably here, here, in between the lace, and here. And I will talk to you about the sizes as well. It's just kind of weird. So normally I am a 10.5 shoe size, or usually 10, and with Under Armour I think I'm an 11. I don't know, shoes are weird. So basically I went to my local pharmacy and I said I want a shoe that's gonna support me because I walk a long periods of time, but I also wanted to be stylish in the process. They gave me a booklet of all the shoes, and luckily they had one on display, and they had this one in medium, and I was like, oh, I tried it on, it was too tight. But then he also offered the pharmacist, hey, well, I have them in wide. I can order them in wide. I can order 2 pairs and see if you like them, and then if you don't, we can just easily return them. So I tried the wide, and the wide, in a way, since it's medium. I tried the medium. This was squeezing in between. And you don't want that. You want to have that. That's where my feet were pulsing from before in the dress shoe. So this one, I'm like, hey, the wide seems kind of, the shoelaces, you'll know when it's wide because between the shoelaces, it's a major difference. So I tried these on, and oh my gosh, it's like, wow. It's a big, big difference. Now, notice what I was saying about the sizes. Okay, so for some strange reason, even though I'm a 10.5, I'm 9 wide. That's so strange. It's probably because of the different shapes. So I'm gonna have to try on shoes, I guess, from now on, like 9 wide and 10.5 medium. But overall, guys, I do recommend these shoes from Anodyne. No, this is not a sponsored video. Anodyne, if you want to sponsor me, please feel free to send me your shoes. I will gladly review them. I have nothing but positive things to say about this. This is really, really good. I really enjoy these shoes. I've had this. I still have the box because that's how good it is. Whenever I'm not using them, I put them away so they can last a bit longer. I actually try to clean these. Unfortunately, they don't really clean that well, but that's totally okay. The stitches make up for it, and I really enjoy it. Now, move on real quick. We have, like I mentioned earlier, I bought some insoles. So what's cool about Anodyne, peep that as well. They have their own little logo at the bottom. It's almost like Vans, but if you see it the opposite way, it's Anodyne. Plus, I really like that. It reminds me of Animus from Assassin's Creed. So these are basically the basic ones. However, Anodyne does sell insoles, and this is the one. So I have 3 pairs of insoles already. This is the one that's basically lasted me. This is actually 1 year of use. So as you can see here, that I do step a lot on my back for some reason on this side, rather than having it all here. I think my other foot might be the same. Yeah, I use most of my back ones, so that's where I put most of the pressure on. Strangely enough, right? Crazy. So yeah, these are their custom insoles. I do want to work closely with Anodyne to see if I can do like a specifically custom for my foot. We'd probably have to do like a long research method, but I actually do look forward to that. So once again, Anodyne, if you want to co-op, hit me up. But overall, guys, even these are not custom. These insoles will serve their purpose. Really, really enjoy these. They last, like I said, they all last me a year. Put them on every day. Had no problems. I come home, my feet are not burning or, basically pulsing. Once I switch this from regular shoes, dressy shoes at least, it is amazing. And I cannot emphasize how good these are and how they lasted. Simply, overall, these Anodyne shoes, I do recommend 10 out of 10. These, even if you're not a diabetic person or any of that, I strongly recommend these shoes, guys. These do make a difference. And of course, these look skaterish, so no one will know unless you, like I said, like I told my friends about it, like, oh yeah, these are my shoes, and my buddy was like, oh, are those skate shoes? Like, no, they're diabetic shoes, and they were all freaking out about it. So, but yeah, guys, this is just wanted to showcase this video in case anybody's looking for a shoe, they want comfortability. Check out anodyne.com. I believe this style it's casual sport number 72, oil black. So in case, here I'll put you the information if you are interested in getting these. Here's the info: casual sport number 72, wide, oil black. Really, really enjoyed these guys. Like I said, if I would give it a 5 stars out of 5 because of how comfortable they are and the fact that they last. The only say I'd give a 4.5 on the quality is mainly because, I guess, because of the finish on it, and of course because of the shoelaces. Depending on what it is, I mean, like I said, this is 1 year of use, so the build quality is still good. It's still holding up. These usually, I usually make my shoes last about 2 to 3 years before I change them. But most importantly, I care about the insoles, and that's what's more important because I want to make the shoe last and the bottom. These are kind of running out. As you can see, my foot's already on there, and they're kind of losing their insole gel. But I know I'll be purchasing more in the future. But other than that, guys, I recommend these. Let me know if you have any questions. Like I said, you don't have to have diabetes or be diabetic to own these shoes. Just go to your closest pharmacy or talk to your doctor first before purchasing these and see if they recommend it for you. But as for me, just a regular user, I would definitely recommend these. I prefer these over Vans. No hate to Vans. I just miss my audios, and I remember my audios used to be so comfortable. these bring back memories. So other than that, guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.